Vauxhall. It's the last 455s today. Well, not the last day they're running, but probably the last time I'm going to get to travel on one of SouthEastern's 455s. So, I've already done one of those for those 707s. Now, those are not actually going to the scrapyard. They are moving to SouthEastern because of SouthEastern's, well, 701s, which I have received news that the 701s, ooh, screenshot, going to start entering service in September 2022, and are going, and because some units have 1500, that's right, 1500 volts, they are, the full fleet is going to be in service by 2024. It's going to take 2 years. Now, I know I have to do one for the 458 as well. That is in a couple of weeks. And speaking of 458s, 520 is leading the 1532 SouthEastern Railway service from London Waterloo to Windsor Riverside. On the rear is 458 530. Now, the last of the 458s should be the easiest one to film, because the running line, my line, used to have 458s as its primary traction. Now we get those on 2 services a day. They're on the 0523 Staines to Reading and the 0642 Reading to London Waterloo. Yeah, it's not ideal. Anyway, train should be here in a few minutes. On 15:35, and it's about 6:32 now. So I'm going to shut up and let's wait for the 455s.
Vauxhall. This train is for Teddington via Richmond. The next station is...
Whenever I would go to Windsor, obviously around train gauge, but my second train, which is the service that take me to Windsor, is usually on one of these. Now, okay, Windsor, Riverside line gets priority on the higher capacity suburban stock. SouthEastern, when it comes to Staines services, Weybridge does still get single 458s, which is a good clue as to what I'm doing for the last 458s.
Please mind to step down from the train to the platform.
So, already at Queenstown Road, Battersea. SouthEastern networkers heading into London Victoria. I have no idea on their numbers. All I can tell you is they're 465s.
shortly. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
So, I don't even see that, but the seat base is a brighter red than the seat back. Okay. That's what it's supposed to be, like a dull red, but you know, it's bright red. Interesting. So there is a reason why I chose to do either the next installment in this series on a Waterloo circular. See, I like taking stations off, and there are a load of stations between Twickenham and, well, really London Waterloo that I've not ticked off.
The next station is South.
Nope,
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Change here at Barnes for services towards Hounslow. Anyway, so see, Wandsworth Town was one, Mortlake, North Sheen, St Margaret's, they're all stations I need to tick off. So that's why I'm on one of these Waterloo circulars, and it then just turned out that I can decide, you know, whether or not to be on a 455 or 456. No, 458. Sorry, 456 is gone. So. We were advertised as Teddington via Richmond. Now on the platforms we're advertised as Wimbledon.
This is Bath. This train is for Teddington via Richmond. The next station is Mortlake.
Thank you. However, the PIS still is advertising us as going to Teddington via Richmond, as it should do. Yeah, so. Got a through service passing back to. Could be something. Nope. 450 something like that. Hang on. 087 and 059. I believe they've come up from Windsor and Eton Riverside and passing up to London Waterloo. Can I forget the terminus to SouthEastern main line? Anyway, yeah, I think we're actually going to Barnes early. Anyway, I'll stop talking now.
The next station is North Sheen. Here for District Line, London Underground and London Overground. As the doors opened here at Richmond, the PIS said, this is Richmond, this train's for Wimbledon, next station St Margaret's. So it clearly knows in all truck dates en route just the PIS on board these units updates at a different location to say on the platforms where I believe it updates at maybe Barnes, I think. Anyway, but it's now correctly saying this is for Wimbledon. Well, when I say correctly, I mean it means correct for the next leg of this Waterloo circular, and then maybe at Kingston it'll update to say this train's for London Waterloo. I don't know what's going to happen at Kingston. I am bailing at Twickenham. Yeah, because I can't bail at St Margaret's if I want to go.
No, thanks. My 450s are just stairs behind. Going over the River Thames.
St Margaret's. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. The next station is Twickenham.
So now I'm headed to Twickenham. Train home is about 5 minutes, and it's currently at Richmond. Yeah. As opposed to over there, it says Twickenham Farmers Market every Saturday 9 AM to 1 PM. So shout out to you guys, I guess. Yeah.
The next train to leave platform 5 is the 1610 Southwestern Railway service to Reading.
So,
Calling at Feltham, Staines,
that's my train.
Egham,
Then I think so. I'm going to wrap this video up here.
Sunningdale,
The 455's
Ashford,
excellent
Tarrant,
units.
Bracknell, Wokingham,
They're only
Winnersh,
being
Winnersh
replaced
Triangle,
because of their
Irving,
age,
Reading.
and
This
obviously
train has 8 carriages.
parts
Some stations have short
to maintain them
If you are travelling
are becoming more and more
non-Wirral,
expensive.
you will need
Therefore,
to travel
701s are
in
coming into
front
service
7 carriages of the train.
starting in September. As I said,
The next train to leave platform 4 is the 1611 Southwestern Railway service to London.
okay, there's nothing for me. Right. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe.
This train has 8
Next week, I'm on the Eurostar from London St Pancras International to Brussels. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, from me here at Twickenham. Take care, guys. Bye bye.